Welcome back to CALS Tailgate at Home. We're taking it indoors this time. We're going to show you a quick barbecue product that you can make inside your kitchen if you don't want to drag out the smoker and sit out in the sun and do all those kind of things. This is again going to highlight the Howling Hog barbecue sauce that is in your package. And this is barbecue that you can do in an Instapot or in a crock pot or whatever you've got in your kitchen. So this recipe calls for chicken. Now you can use a whole chicken that you cut up into pieces, or you can use skinless breast meat. You can use skinless thighs that we're going to use today. This is about 3 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and it is easy peasy. Bring out the slow cooker or your Instapot, put all of the chicken in, and the recipe is pretty straightforward. 1 bottle of sauce. Set it to low or however long. It should take about 2 to 3 hours on high. If you want to do it on low setting, it'll take a little bit longer, but when it's ready, or it will be ready when it's ready to shred. So I've got one that we've cooked this morning. And this is good old-fashioned shredded barbecue chicken. Good on a sandwich, good by itself. Quick, easy. Looks like you spent all kinds of time outside, but really all you did is open a bottle, plug it in the wall. So whatever you do to kill time for 3 hours, chicken barbecue.